I'm like feeling like a hoarder. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Tayler with an E, and you know we're here. You know why we are here. Let me stop talking so fast. You know why we're here. If you read the title of this video, you know we are dealing with this monstrosity of a space. So I am going to be redoing my beauty area in my apartment, because I'm going to be taking clients here now, like for real. I'm out of the studio space that I was in, and I really just want to redo this area and fall in love with it. Like, I be seeing really, oh my God, look at my lashes. Y'all, I don't have a feel for another 2 weeks. Look at this. Like, it's not even about to be a fill no more because my girl has been booked. She was booked when I made my fill appointment, the day after I got a full set. But anyways, yeah, I really wanted to have a space that I love. So we're going to turn this area that's already like my beauty area in my apartment into something, that I love, okay? So this is probably going to be a voiceover video because I'm going to probably watch TV and listen to music while I do this. But ultimately, I'm going to tell y'all what we're changing. I'm going to show y'all what we're changing. So 9 times out of 10, I'm going to move this shelving unit over here. My phone's on the charger, so can't really move it that much. We are getting rid of this mirror, at least moving it out of this area, not getting rid of it. But we're going to move it out of this area. This platform that this stuff is on, I have a brand new one. It's huge. My fault for not measuring it. And then we're going to be making a vanity mirror. Okay. All my drawers are pretty much clean and organized, so I'm going to show y'all that. And then I also bought more of these drawers, which are from the dollar store. I'm going to hot glue them together and create more storage space with that. And then we're going to clean out this. This is a storage unit also right now for miscellaneous items. That has to do with my makeup, but we're going to go through that and get that sorted out too. So yeah, ultimately, we are giving this area a makeover. I'm going to begin first by cleaning off this platform. I need to wash a few brushes because I do have clients tomorrow. So I'm going to wash those. Thankfully, it's only a little bit, not how much I normally have to do. But we're going to do that. I'm going to do a time-lapse / voiceover of the process. And then I'm going to show y'all everything when it's all done and put together. Right now, I think it's about to be 8 o'clock. And I have to get this done tonight. So I'm going to give myself like 2 to 3 hours to do. I honestly do not think it'll take that long. But I'm definitely going to give myself 2 hours to get this done, because I still want to go to bed at a decent time. So let's get into it. I know y'all seen me hurt myself. I know y'all seen it. So I'm out of breath. I have boob sweat right now because moving that mirror, it almost took me out, and I literally underestimated it. My mom was here earlier and she asked me if I needed help, and I said no, like, it's fine. That mirror almost tried to take me out. First, I hit my nail on it. My nail is throbbing in pain. And then y'all see me trip on it. So the bottom of my foot is also in throbbing pain. and then wrapping it and trying to get it out on the patio into my patio closet. I have too much stuff. So that was a lot. But it's clean over here. It's cleared off. Praise God. So now we're going to clear the rest of this counter off and do the rest. So as I go through some of this stuff, I'm like feeling like a hoarder. So I'm trying to clear out space for these drawers here for literally just makeup related stuff or beauty related stuff. And I have teaching books in here. And at this point, I'm literally just about to trash everything. Like, I don't have time to be sitting here trying to figure out who I could give it away to. I am throwing it in the garbage. But I have cleared out a lot of space. Like, things make sense now. I cleared out 2 drawer spaces down here. And I'm happy about that because I had like nail stuff from when I was in esthetician school and I'm not doing no nails. So I put all that in here and I'm going to give it away to a friend that is in school to do nails. So I'm like, this works out perfectly. I'm going to pay it forward. All right. So I'm going to set y'all back up as I do my mirror and stuff because that'll be a cool part, I think, that y'all could see. And then that would probably be like the hardest part, honestly, putting that together. And then we could reorganize everything else. So obviously this is huge. I did not expect this to like stick so far out of the wall like that. Like there's so much wall space back there, Jesus Christ. But we're literally going to make this work. We're really gonna make this work. So I really might have to move this shelving unit right here because baby, this ain't gonna work no more. This is not gonna be the vibe. I really, really dislike how much this sticks out, y'all. I really do. but we're going to make it work. And I think now that this is so much space on that side, I'm gonna put this at an angle because we need to make it look like there's space here. Like, let me see how it looks from the kitchen. It sticks out so much, but oh my gosh, it's okay. We're gonna figure it out. Girls need love, yeah. Girls need love, girls need love. Say something. Girls need love, girls need love, girls need love, girls need love. So what's a girl to do? She needs love, some girls need love. All right, we have run into a problem, and I know y'all see it. All the extra space that's literally behind this. Oh my God, y'all. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm about to freaking do because I know y'all seen how the back of that is like leaning down. I know y'all seen how it's leaning down because there's just not enough stuff back there to hold it up. So now I'm trying to think what I could put underneath this to stabilize it. Because in theory, like, this was a really good idea. But also, if it doesn't work out, I'm going to return this tabletop. Like, really, in theory, this was such a good idea. It was such a good idea. But I don't think it's going to work out the way that I want it to. And I might just have to take off. Okay, so let me talk y'all through this. So ultimately, this piece that was originally on there, this has contact paper on top of it. So really, honestly, I could just put more contact paper on top of this and put it back over there because I don't think this is gonna work the way that I want it to. And I could just make the mirror. Like, I could still make the mirror how I want to, blah, blah, but yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm a bit frustrated, but you know, we're gonna figure this out. So I already looked up how to return stuff at IKEA. So my mom has a truck. We're gonna take this back to IKEA tomorrow and just return it. I'm gonna get my money back. Silver lining, I found some more white contact paper. So I'm just going to recover this wood paneling that I already have and just try to take better care of it this time because it's disgusting looking right now. But yes, y'all, I cannot believe that. Like, it was really, I dropped the ball by not measuring the width. I really dropped the ball by not measuring the width of that, but it's okay. You live, you learn, you win some, you lose some. So I'm going to take this off, recover this contact paper, recover this wood paneling, and then we're finally going to get to the mirror. Okay. Can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, have it breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be healing. I can be real good. We don't get these was about to call y'all, but we finished. It is literally 12 o'clock on the dot. I've been on FaceTime for the longest, but y'all, it looks so freaking cute in here. Let me show you, let me show you, let me show you, let me show you. Let me turn my light on first. Oh my God, you see the brightness? Like, the lighting is not that bad, okay. So I made the mirror probably too high, but who cares? Because I'm not really gonna sit and do my makeup for real. But this is all of my stuff. I cleaned and I organized my drawers right here. And then this is like my creative corner, I like to call it too. And then I have my studio makeup lights right there. Yes, so cute, so freaking cute. So I was going to show you guys my drawers. However, I just decided to make that a separate video, and I will do a beauty studio tour. Yes. And then I'll go through like everything that's in my drawers and stuff, because, you know, I need some content. But yeah, that's what I have here. I feel very accomplished. Y'all know I started out kind of rough, baby. I didn't know what was going to happen. But we made it work. We made it work. We made it work. And I'm going to try my hardest to keep this white cleaned. So yeah. Thank you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I plan on doing more content like this. Maybe more lifestyle-y in the future. I'm never going to say I'm going to be consistent, because literally I say that and then here we go, inconsistent. But yes, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things. And I will see y'all in my next video whenever it